Hi plant friends, before we start, thank you Barrina for the T10 grow lights. Ooh, look at that. In this video, I'm bringing a few plants in from the balcony. Since night temperatures are getting a little bit cooler, I don't want them to slip into dormancy. I'm especially focused on the Plumeria. I've heard that grow lights can help this plant to keep the leaves over the winter, which should mean more blooms when this plant is ready. So when Barrina reached out, I said yes. So today we're also unboxing the Barrina T10 grow light. We can see how it looks and get set up for the winter season. This is a LED vertical grow light, but it can also be set up horizontally on your grow shelf. And they've also included 2 extension rods so you can adjust the height. This grow light also comes with an external timer. Plumeria is fairly tall, so I will be using both extension rods for maximum height. The base is nice and sturdy, so it stays where you put it. This T10 grow light is super thin, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. Here's a look at the timer, and they've also included hanging clips. So if you'd like to do the pendant installation, you can do that and set up the grow lights horizontally. This is the corner that the Plumeria lives in. Now this is a south-facing window, and it does provide a lot of bright light, but in the winter it's not enough light to sustain leaves on the Plumeria. These beauties are being moved back inside. Night temperatures are getting cool. I want to keep these nice and warm, but I also want to keep them nice and bright so they'll continue thriving over the fall and winter season. Here's an idea of what my Plumeria looks like in the winter. The little darling has dropped all of her leaves and she's completely dormant. The window is bright, but in the winter we do get snow and a lot of precipitation and cloudy days. We had lots of flurries on this day. Although the sun's out, it's not enough. First plant to be brought in is the Plumeria. And this beauty, as soon as it gets chilly, a hint of cold temperatures, it starts to drop the leaves. With this Barrina light, I'm not going to be caught off guard with 5 p.m. sunsets this winter. And look at that. It's the right height to spread a lot of light over the Plumeria. Oh, and it's sleek, a nice design, very modern. Ooh, look at that. It's so nice and bright already. And this is daytime brightness. It does have a timer. So I can set up the timer. In the winter, I'm going with 12 hours of grow light. I want to keep these nice and bright, especially since we don't get a lot of sun and there'll be a lot of cloudy days. Plant friends, let's set up the timer. It's very easy. All you've got to do is point this arrow to the current time of day. So for example, if it was 8 a.m., you would put the timer to 8 a.m. If it was, let's say 8 p.m., you would put it to 2000 hour. For me, it's currently 1 p.m., so 1300 hour. And I would like this grow light to be on from 8 a.m. So I'll push down from 8 a.m. all the way to 8 p.m., which is 2000 hour. And it's that easy. Just push down on the slots to indicate when you would like to have the grow light on. And that's it for setting up the timer. Let's plug it in. Plant friends, you can also control the lights with your toes by just pressing on and off this little button. Plant friends, we're off to a good start with this BarrinaGrowLight. It's easy to set up. I love that you can adjust the height and that timer. I'm loving the timer. You can also have it standing like my current setup. Or if you've got the shelf, you can have it horizontal on your shelf. So you can mount it that way as well, especially if it's pretty long, so you can put two shelves together and really extend all the lighting needs that you have. But I really like the stand setup. Going to really enjoy the lighting situation over the fall and winter. Let's get the Cycopsis back in place. Plant friends, for a little bit of pest control, I like to wipe the leaves down when I bring the Plumeria back in. This one tends to suffer from quite a bit of spider mites, and just to control any pests, even mealybugs, I like to wipe the leaves down with a little bit of bleach wipe. Some Clorox wipe works great to control any pests and clean the leaves as well. Since it's been outside, it's quite dusty and dirty, so there can be some buildup on the leaves. Plant friends, in the description you'll find the link for the Barrina lights, so you can check it out and see what products they have to offer. There's also a discount code which gives you 5% off your purchase. The discount code is Life of Barrina. Barrina also has a YouTube channel, so you can check out the other products that they have to offer and get more information. A little bit of feed, just a diluted solution with the Crystal Star Botanical Booster. And just to get into those tight spots with the smaller succulents, I'm using the turkey baster. I find it's so much easier to water the plants, and it gives me a lot more control. Typically, I'd hold back on watering in the winter due to less light and less growth from the plants. Now that I've got the grow light set up, I'm going to continue with my regular watering schedule, which is about once a week. The Plumeria gets a little bit more. It gets the slow release fertilizer. I find that this plant is a heavy feeder. So a nice healthy amount of slow release fertilizer. And she's also a very thirsty plant. So I give this one a nice dousing of water. If the plant is flourishing, I water once a week. If dormant, I only give 1 cup of water per month. Plant friends, it's now dusk and you can see the true intensity of the grow light. This is exactly what I had in mind when Barrina reached out. The cactus and succulents are well illuminated, as well as the Plumeria. A lot of plant friends have recommended grow lights for the Plumeria to help this one from not going into dormancy over the winter, and I'm hoping that she's not going to drop any leaves. The grow light is full spectrum, so it will provide a lot of light for photosynthesis, allowing the plant to hang on to the leaves. The height of this Barrina T10 grow light is perfect for the Plumeria, and it was such an easy setup. Plant friends, thanks for joining me on getting ready for winter. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Barrina.